my dear students. I, Miss Munazza Sayyed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. Children, today we are going to again start with the singing. You might be guessing teacher is going to teach the lesson or poem, right? So today I am going to teach you the new poem. Okay. For that I will ask you some questions now. Where do we get water from? Yes? पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Very nice answer, huh? From the taps. I know from the taps. Through the pipes and taps we will get. But exactly the main source from the rivers, seas, it will come to the particular like storage water tank, then it will come to our houses. So, today we are going to learn more about that sea and about that shells. So, today we are going to learn poem number 2 of English, Sea Shell. Poem number 2 of English, Seashell. So, open your Canopy textbooks, page number 34. Yes, have you all opened? Remove your textbook, English session, page number 34. Repeat after me. Poem number 2, Seashell. Poem number 2, Seashell. S-E-A-C S-H-E-L-L. Seashell. What do you mean by seashell now? Seashell means the empty shell of a small sea animal. Means the covering and hard covering and a hard shell of an animal. Okay. Now sea, S-E-A-C means what? In Hindi we can say samudra. Okay. So we are going to see in this poem about the sea and the information about that sea shell. This poem is by Amy Lowell. Okay. This poem is by Amy Lowell. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. Now, by using the seashell, you can see here in this picture, the girl is telling, seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. So, she is requesting to the shell that sing a song for me. A song of ships. Now, which song she is talking about, children, is a song of ships. Ship means what? You can see in this picture, a big boat. Ship means what? A big boat, a large boat, and sailorman. That girl is requesting to the seashell that it should sing a song, but that song is of ships. Ships means what? A large boat. And sailorman. Sailorman means who? The people who work on ships. Means these people. Okay. These are the sailormen. Those who are working on the ships. And parrots and tropical trees. And parrots and tropical trees. Parrots you all know. And tropical trees. Tropical trees means what? Trees that grow in hot place. Means such a kind of trees which are growing in a hot place. S-E-A-C, repeat after me. S-E-A-C, S-H-E-L-L, shell. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing me a song, S-O-N-G, song. Song spelling S-O-N-G, song, oh please. A song of ships. Ship spelling, children, repeat after me. S-H-I-P-S, ships. And sailormen, S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor. M-E-N, men, sailormen. Sailormen means who here, children? The people who are working on ships. They are called as sailormen. And parrots and tropical trees. P-A-R-R-O-T-S, parrots. And T-R-O-P-I-C-A-L, tropical. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Tropical trees means what, children? Trees that grow in a hot place. So the girl is requesting to the seashell that, seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. But which song? The song relates to a song of ships and sailormen and parrots and tropical trees. Of islands lost in the Spanish men. Of island. I-S, repeat the spelling, children. I-S-L-A-N-D-S, islands. Children, do you know what do you mean by islands? Have you ever heard this word, island? Yes? Okay, I will tell you the meaning. What do you mean by island? A land surrounded by water. मीन्स जिसके अतराफ में बहुत सारा पानी होता है. अ लैंड, अ प्लेस, अ फील्ड दैट इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर. ओके. ऑफ आइलैंड लॉस्ट इन द स्पेनिश मैन मीन्स सम ऑफ द आइलैंड्स दे आर लॉस्ट. लॉस्ट यानी क्या? खो गए हैं, गुम हो गए हैं. टोटली दे आर लॉस्ट इन द स्पेनिश मैन. Now Spanish main means the lands around the, here we have the names of the places. So Spanish means it is the place, okay, and in that particular place, in that Spain country, many of the islands are lost. They are talking about that, means the lost islands in the Spain, which no man ever may find again. Which no man ever may find again means we are unable to find those islands which has lost in the Spanish main. Of fishes and corals under the waves. Of fishes and corals under the waves. Now fishes, you all know, means all the fishes, and corals. Corals means stones of different colors, pink, red or white, rock like objects, but where we can find these rocks means stones, colorful stones, we can find these under the waves, means inside the sea. You can see these are the waves, children. See this. In Hindi we can say leher, pani ki leher. In English we are telling waves. Okay, under these waves we can find fishes and corals. And seahorses stabled in great green caves. Children, now tell me where the horses live. Yes? Where the horses live? In the stable. Okay. So here, and the seahorses stable. In stable the horses are living. So here the seahorses are stable, means they are packed in their home in great green caves. Okay. So in the green caves, the animal seahorse has been locked and it has been packed there. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well. So why the girl is requesting here to the seashell is because always the seashell will be under the waves, inside the sea. Yes, so the seashell knows very well about the things inside these waves and under these waves. So the girl is requesting that seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. Means she is telling that give some more information about the sea. What are the things under the sea? So now she is telling exactly what she want to listen a song. Means what information she want is a song of ships. Means these are the ships above the water. Yes, a large boat. And the sailor man. Sailor man means who here? The people who are working on the ships. And parrots and tropical trees. So near the island, here this is the hot place. You can see here this water, and near these tropical trees are there. Means the trees which are grow in a hot place. Of island lost in the Spanish Main. Island means what? A land which is surrounded by water. Island means what? A land which is surrounded by water. So the islands are lost, means खो गए हैं in the Spanish Main. So Spain, in the country Spain, those islands are lost, means we cannot find that, which no man ever may find again. So we can't even find those islands of fishes and corals under the waves. So under the waves, inside the sea, what you can see, children? Many fishes, different kinds of animals, big, small, seashells also you can find, right? And corals. Corals means what? Here, different colors rock, pink, red or white, rock-like objects below the sea which are formed by the bones of tiny sea animals. So how these corals are made? It is made by the bones of small, tiny, मतलब एकदम छोटे animals के जो bones हैं, from that these corals are made. And seahorses stabled in great green caves. And the seahorses stabled. Stable means what? Put or kept in a stable. Horses are kept in the stable. As I said you, horses house we can call stable. So the seahorses are stabled. They are kept in that stable in great green caves. So below sea you can see the greenery and the big caves. Yes, because of the water, that greenery has already formed. So, and seahorses stabled in great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things. Now what she is telling at the end, sing of the things you know so well. So the seashell is always living under the sea. So she is telling that you know very well what are those things. So sing those things you know so well. She is telling in this way. So this poem is by Amy Lowell. By whom it is written? By Amy Lowell. Okay. Now children, here we have questions. Find two more rhyming words from the poem. Brave. Rhyming word for brave. From the poem we have to search, children. Yes? Cave, wave. Okay. Now train. Main, again. See, here we have main, again, which rhymes with train. Next. Complete these sentences with words from the poem. What we have to do here? We have to complete the sentence by using the words are present in the poem. पोएम में जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको लेकर ये सेंटेंस को हमें कंप्लीट करना है. फर्स्ट वन, sailor men can be seen on where we can see the sailor men. Just remember the answer. Okay. Corals can be found under the, where we can find the corals, children? Under the sea. The big caves under the water are dash in color. Even the color also I said, the big caves under the water are dash in color. Fourth one, another animal that lives in a stable is a dash. Who lives in the stable? Now we have the answer in the poem. Yes, sailor men can be seen on ships. Corals can be found under the waves. The big caves under the water are dash in color, green color. Yes. Another animal that lives in a stable is a horse. Now I'm going to play the animation. Okay, children?
Seashell by Amy Lowell. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. A song of ships and sailor men, and parrots and tropical trees, of islands lost in the Spanish main, which no man ever may find again, of fishes and corals under the waves, and sea horses stabled in great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well.
Yes. Shall I play one more time, children? Okay.
Seashell by Amy Lowell. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. A song of ships and sailor men, and parrots and tropical trees, of islands lost in the Spanish main, which no man ever may find again, of fishes and corals under the waves, and sea horses stabled in great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well.
Now the audio I am going to play. Listen, this audio is very beautiful, children. Just listen and we are going to sing after this. Okay?
Seashell.
by Amy Lewin. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. A song of ships and sailormen and parrots and tropical trees, of islands lost in the Spanish Main, which no man ever may find again, of fishes and corals under the waves, and seahorses stabled in great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well.
Isn't it beautiful, children? So nicely they have sung. Even how we learned the poem, Do You Like Fruits? And we have sung already. So again I will play this one more time. You have to listen carefully. Next time you have to recite this poem. You have to learn this poem. Okay? Shall I play? Fine. One more time I'll play now. Okay?
Seashell by Amy Lewin. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. A song of ships and sailormen and parrots and tropical trees, of islands lost in the Spanish Main, which no man ever may find again, of fishes and corals under the waves, and seahorses stabled in great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well.
Here we have the presentation. We will see this also now. So many shells. Wow. See, these are the shells. Many animals have shells. A shell is a hard cover that protects their body. So these are the shells we are getting by the covering of an animal. These hard shells protects their body. Shells can be of many colors, kinds and sizes. Means you can see here the different kinds of shells. It can be like this also. Here the shape is different and here it's totally different. And it will be of any color, any size and any type. Okay, different kinds of shells we can see. Have you ever picked up shells on a sea beach, children? मैंने तो नहीं किया. You had collected, picked up? Okay. These are cowrie shells. They are shiny shells they are shiny shells round on one side. See, you can see here, these are the shiny shells which are round at one side. At this side, you can see these are the round one. They have a long, thin opening on the other side. See here, you can see here the long, thin opening on the other side. Once upon a time, cowrie shells were used as money in some part of the world. Bapre, see here children, these cowrie shells in one of the place or some parts of the world, it has been used as a money. Now we are using coins and notes as a money, right? But those peoples were using these shells as a money. These are conch shells. They are twisted shells with a long opening. You can see here, twisted shells with a long opening. If you blow through the opening, it produces a sound. Have you heard the sound of a conch shell? जब शंख बजाते हैं तो आवाज आती है? Yes. When we will blow through the air in it, it produces a sound. उससे क्या होती है? आवाज आती है. This is a snail. It has a soft body and a round shell. It lives in wet places. You may even find a snail in your garden. A snail can hide its whole body inside the shell. See, this is very soft here, the snail, and this is the hard outer covering of a snail. If the snail fails or he want to hide from the enemies, he can hide inside its shell. This is a tortoise. Do you know tortoise? See, here is the picture, you can see. Like the snail, it can hide inside its shell so that you cannot see him. This tortoise is much bigger than a snail. Yes, exactly. You saw, see here, the snail. Snail size and tortoise size is totally different. Tortoise is much bigger than a snail. But tortoise can also be small. Means in different size. Some tortoises live to be very old, like 150 years or even more than this. Their life is 150 years old. Even they can live more longer than this. Question time. Can you think of two more animals that have shells, children? Just think and answer me. Any other two animals which has shells? Now you have to find it by your own, okay? PG, picture gallery we have here. Beautiful sea shells. See here. Wow. Isn't it beautiful, children? These are the different kinds, sizes, colors, shapes. Everything is different of each shell. See the twisted one. Long and twisted. If you will blow the air inside these, it will make a sound, children, in these shells. Wow. Now children, remove your pencils. Only two questions we have here. This we will solve, okay? Remove your pencils. Here, till then you remove the pencil, I will read the question, okay? Mark these sentences as true or not true. Now what you have to do, you have to mark the sentences. Either they are true or they are false, okay? Have you all removed? First one. The seashell tells the speaker a story. The seashell tells the speaker a story. The seashell is telling the story? No, it's not true. So write NT here. There are sailormen on the ships. Is it true or not true? True. The islands are lost and cannot be found again. Is it true or not true? True. Fishes and corals live under the ground. Can we find the fishes under the ground, children? It's not true. Then where we can find the fishes and corals? Under the waves. Very good. So this is N T. Last, seahorses live in a big green caves. It's true. Now we have think and answer. We will see this, but first we will solve this. Find two rhyming words from the poem. Now, bell. Which two words rhymes with bell? We have to write here. Okay? From the poem itself. First one, bell. Shell. Shell rhymes with bell. Okay. Next, well. W-E-L-L, well. Second we have bees. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. And one more, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So these are the rhyming words. Write this. And here think and answer. Do you think the seashell knows so much about the sea? Do you think, children, seashells, they knows much more about the sea? Yes, because they live under the seas and they know many things. Have you ever held a seashell to your ear? What can you hear? Have you written this, children? Okay, so here we have finished with our textbook exercise also and teaching part also. So today we have learned a new interesting poem about seashell. You have to recite the poem. Even we have completed the textbook exercise also. In next period, we are going to do something else. Till then, read the poem and by heart the poem. Thank you.